Hi everyone, today I'm making chocolate brownie. So to make brownie, we need 2 tablespoons butter. You can also use vegetable oil. 2 tablespoons cocoa powder, 3 to 4 tablespoons sugar, 1/4 teaspoon baking powder, 3 tablespoons flour, and 1/4 teaspoon vanilla essence. So let's get started. So to make chocolate mug brownie, here I am using mug. So first we add dry ingredients. Flour, sugar, cocoa powder, baking powder. Now mix it well with the help of fork. Okay, it's done. So now we add wet ingredients. So first we add butter. Now we add vanilla essence and 2 tablespoons water. Now mix it well. Now in this stage we add 1 tablespoon water. Now again mix it well. Now again we add 2 tablespoons more water. 1, 2. Okay, it's done. Now microwave it for 2 minutes. It's time to bake it. Now we have to wait for 3 to 4 minutes. For topping, here I am using Nutella,